The following two theories on aging seem to explain why retirees do what they do when they are retired. The theories are activity theory and continuity theory. Activity theory was developed by Robert Hazlehurst, a researcher in human development. The theory proposes that retirees are happiest when they stay active, maintain meaningful and often lifelong social interactions, and that there is a positive relationship between their retirement lifestyle activity and life satisfaction. It also proposes that retirees who suffer a role loss, and that could be a job or career, may substitute this role loss with other like roles or similar alternatives. For example, if they were a manager in their work life, they may end up as a volunteer managing the local homeowners association. The second theory, continuity theory, builds upon the previous theory and was developed by George Maddox, a sociologist who studied aging and human development. The theory proposes that when people retire, they will usually maintain the same activities, behaviours, personality traits, and relationships they had before they retired. This theory suggests that personality traits, ideas, and beliefs will continue to remain constant throughout a person's lifetime, along with their relationships, their role in society, their stable self-concept, and their chosen lifestyle. In other words, when someone retires, they tend to do what they did in the same manner as they did before they retired. Of course, in retirement, they now have more time to do more of whatever they did before they retired. If you combine activity theory with continuity theory, it helps explain why people in retirement continue to do and act the way they did before they retired. It may also help explain why some people never retire. They are so overwhelmingly enjoy their working lifestyle role and the activities that they believe that the same level of lifestyle satisfaction and enjoyment may not be achieved or may be lost in retirement. In effect, these people do not have the personal justification to retire. This is a listing of additional YouTube videos on how to successfully make the lifestyle change from working to retirement. These retirement lifestyle educational videos are based on the book, How to Successfully Make the Lifestyle Change from Working to Retirement. The book is available on eBay and Amazon.